What's up guys, welcome back to KIERA'S TV and welcome to another movie. So guys, as you know, we've been trying to put out our utmost best for post and give the content, but guess what now? I give Portland like a break now. We check out a new place. The place I know in Westmoreland. If you're there another place I wish I was there and you want to act with me, my number there on the screen, just text me on WhatsApp, send me a message, and we talk from there. Alright guys, so go and enjoy the first part. We are working on the second part and we're going to post it. So just go and enjoy this. Check out our short videos. Big up on yourself. Thanks for your support. Stay safe out there.
Morning.
Why you wake up so early?
Why you know so me early, girl? As they like me have to jump out of the bed.
Oh, well, just so me I go try to see if we can send in some resume or so and go get my work on the road. That's why I wake up so early. So when I go to know, I go just go look for like a tea and then go up on the road.
So application I drop off in and the close there?
So I'm to my clothes on my van. Then I can't wear. Remember, I don't really have much in here. Clothes and can't fit me.
Alright then, good luck.
Alright then, so later.
Alright, it's easy.
One case, airport case, $12. One case, airport case, $12. One case, airport case, $12. Samsung, iPhone. One case, airport case, $12 get anyone. One case, airport case, $12. Right now. Yes, airport case, $12. One case, airport case, $12. Airport case, $12.
Roxanne, already so?
What you mean how me are the assassis? Boy, me tell you, me can't bother for your pressure all the time. Plus, with my condition, I know me have to find something to do. So I buy a little case and airport case and I out here somebody I sell them for.
Phone case? You know when this start sell phone case? You know this man when I left me, I saw them something here come out and can sell. I am my sister, I never see when you come out of the house with them. I don't think you can sell them something here, so you know. You have to go out on the road. You have to go out more on the road, man. You have to go like near town or out on the front and you get a better sale.
Oh, make me tell you already. You never know because of this money, me have any money and I get them from wholesale. I'm go buy them and the AirPods case them. And plus, remember, I'm pregnant and I don't really have it, you know. And you not work either. So how me I go down in the town. I have to go walk and look how far we live. I can't walk go way down in the town 15 to 20 minutes walk. I can't do that. I better me tell you so. Or me figure something out, you know.
My girl, you can't get no sale so. You may tell you say, you have to go to the town or go to the road on the front where they carry them pass and the people them drive past in a taxi and something, maybe you get a better sale so people pass and go about their business like shoppers so 1 and 2 somebody. You not get no sale so man.
Alright, what me here we are say, but I walk 3 places and pass your same. Somebody must come out one at a time. But me hand just done, so I have to try something. So if this no work, me try walk. If walking no work, me try go to the front, and if go to the front no work, me try something else.
Alright, that's even better. If you walk and stop at people in their yard, ask them to buy. Then maybe they will buy for you. Alright, I go down the road. So later. Evening. You want me? You say nothing today?
Boys, hope me not know if deer then too dear or what, but at 300 I get them for and I can't sell them for nothing more. So I have to make put a 700 profit that me make. And then here I see a thing. And even cheap because they have people where we don't even know, probably have them people where they can buy them things around. Just me can't buy that. Alright now the condition of me now. Pregnant, now no work. Me have to stay with you. What am I doing?
But I don't know if to say honestly because they tell me say I go drop off application. Then I look for me see upon the other cell phone case. I don't know if you say again. But I'm doing things still.
Alright then, I go bed and relax so tomorrow. I don't know, so I'm gonna go eat none of your food already because I don't want to pressure you. I already stay with them, I don't want to eat out your food. I'm supposed to have your husband for free. So later.
Alright, easy. Evening, Roxanne.
Yeah, cook again.
But wait. Roxanne, and I see him because you have on yesterday and the day before and the day before. What happened? You in a bed? You not change your clothes? Are you sell on the road? You expect people to buy for you?
Hope. Remember say, I catch me because so I don't have a wear, I don't have no soap and rings. We can't do no soap and rings and plus I don't know, I can't me tell you I don't want pressure you. I can't beg you, I stay with you, I use your water, I for your bed. I can't I just like this suppose I'm here for 2 days now. I can't put it on and then we run next. If you say what I want to do this, we buy soap and rings and wash my clothes in.
But Roxanne, see machine there, I can wash your clothes them for you. And I don't know if you look at soap, look at water for wash your clothes them. You have bed, so you're supposed to wash your clothes them too. I go tell you if you go get pregnant for man when I take care of you, know you there's a butter for yourself, phone kiss all and something there.
Hope, as I said before, I understand you have machine and stuff, but I can't pressure you. I can't do it, sorry. I can't do that, sorry, I can't pressure you.
Wait, Roxanne, you're being man. You look clean, man. You must make a money today. I will leave my money too.
Hope no matter with the foolishness. You know, so me always better just to close me repeat. And yes, me I go sleep. Me must can make something today. I'm a pray last night and God tell me say if you go today and push out, so me I walk away the night on. Today I go be my day. Today me feel like today I'm my day. Me I go make some sale and make some money. So me I go on the road, alright? So later me I go walk in here through your room.
Yeah, man, alright. I wish you good luck today.
What? Evening.
Evening.
Yeah, good news.
Oi. Why you so happy about going now?
What? So then I book up in our young man, I don't know why age, but he look like your age group. Saying he did I go buy one case, but never have no case for his phone, so he just buy one earpod one and black and white one. Say he want one housekeeper for his house. And I can't do it, you know. Live indoor, because he say hardly work or something, so I would have stayed there, tidy up your sweep and whatever, so I would give me one little room for myself. So tomorrow, he said tomorrow morning we can, so I go pack up my things them now and go early tomorrow while I wash my film stuff, then I can just wash my stuff. Because I tell him about my condition and whatever and things, so I don't clothes, all my clothes and dirty, and so I can come my house and sit and live in and sit and then pay fortnight $12,000.
So you can manage them all for work there? Now you're a stage.
Well, I never really did tell him about the pregnant part, you know, but I can manage when the belly start growing and I just stop.
You sure you can manage your work there?
I can manage it, man.
Alright then, if you can manage then, try nothing done.
Alright, Hope, I go in the room and pack up my things them me excite me. I go get all the rest. So I'm coming to early to you know. So I'm going to myself on the road see if I can sell some or something. You know what I go do with them about me done with them. I go pack up my things them and more and tell her thanks for me stay with you. If me get a phone, me give her a call. Me know you know about me, give her a call. Give her money one time for everything you do for me. Even though you have my sister on my father's side and not even really sister, but you make me stay a place and I really appreciate it. So thanks. Tomorrow morning I probably leave a little bit earlier because he's saying I work 6 o'clock tomorrow and go so he can show me around and whatever. So thank you one more time again. I'm going home, alright?
Roxanne, take care of yourself and homework yourself. You can do what you can do and what you can do you let you hear.
Alright.
Alright, so take care.
Alright. Evening.
Evening. You call me and tell me they reach.
I was about to call you, you know, but the phone not pick up here and it looks like my credit you finished too, so and a long time there, so still about 15 to 20 minutes.
So come in and we sit down and go. Come inside. Come in and sit down. So what you're gonna do is you clean up the place, make sure the place clean. If you yard don't rake up the yard, plate there for wash clothes. Them look at something the housekeeping work. Bed spread, them look at something here.
Yeah man, me understand, so you have water pipe.
Yeah man, water there fully.
Alright, so what kind of type of food you eat and so on and so
You
forth?
see me not eat not out of sea specifically. Me eat chicken and them something pork, you know if you cook it.
Alright, so
Anything otherwise you cook, me eat it.
yeah man, me understand that part. So we have a couple questions now. So we have a couple questions in terms of more how long me I go there for work. And I mean one little situation where my sister made that stay with and she have 2 kids that she want me to stay with. So if I like we can know say right, if I 6 months or 1 year, I know say we can go back.
Yeah man, I can there any amount of time I can there because I really need somebody to help me out.
So when we get paid though?
It depends on how you want it, like weekly or fortnight, how you want it.
Fortnight okay, but no one know if we go home like week or me go do 3 weeks, go on for a whole week, come back 3 weeks, or I just want 1 weekend me I'll get to go back. Or me can't go back
see,
at all.
no man, you can't go yet because you have to there so we make sure everything alright. Yeah? So you maybe can go like if you're there 3 months of work, you maybe can go like 1 weekend or so, maybe if you're so no car. We think one time my daughter will come and say, but I'm not sure yet. So we have to work out that. You alright with that?
Alright, me understand that. So sorry about this, but we can really kind of sick. That's why I tell us I couldn't make it Monday. I'm come today. I don't really have money to buy comb this and this someday. Because I can't work. I don't know, probably buy whatever time we give me one to go pay me can get buy some money feel better. So you can just show me room and now show me around so I can know what I can do that. I just start in the morning. If you wouldn't mind my life go get my course because I place a fast a 4 vehicle take and a 7 hours drive and a 3,000 I spend for the fare.
Alright, so come, the room the right is. The right is so you can just come and relax right now. Alright, I'll lock off the red on the back part of the tank. So if you don't want to come in a pipe or come out of the pipe, I'll lock off the back. I turn off. So just turn it on and go ahead.
Alright, then come.
Alright, so let's do what you do here.
Sis, follow along. Yeah, man, I reach out place, everything. I could get the car yesterday because I 4 vehicles I take, you know. One from 42, one here from Mobile to this, so come way off far places. You want to see it going red. Yeah, man, everything alright. And used to tell me I go clean and water and I really do up here, but you have in tank them and in drum them, but yeah, right, today I mean first day, you know, so bad me I go and sleep up here and sitting, you know, rest me I go rest and then go look out in and then come from work. But I'm not sure you know if I'm working there or not. I know my business, so I got everything good. Yeah, man, I'm glad I have still phone case and sitting no more. Alright, so I'm going to do what I have to do, you know. Take care and me call you tomorrow, alright? Alright, sis. Me did a sweet, me did a rake, you know, but me did stop and go catch the water them. And then me did go call my sister because something did happen up there, so she did a talk to me. And me did go cook it in and then man, I just me and finish your cup. You say now, and this me did a do for a morning, man. Sorry if you If I think, I don't know. I do things, man, everything in the house done on. But it tank kinda, recently kinda bust from me because when I jug then drop on it. So yeah, probably have to go get one plumber to fix it or something.
I just asked you, I just feel yes I do this, so I just ask, so I come back and say yes I do that, so. I mean that, so you're done, I can share the food, yeah?
Alright, now you can do it now and then you can finish it. Boss, it's your shirt, man.
No man.
Why you come out there so slow?
Eat me and I eat and my baby mother call me, she tell me say, my daughter will come up here soon, so just prepare say she will come and she will stay here for a little while. And she will do in her back room, so I want to clean up the back room before she come, eh? How would that call you?
Sorry, I'm my sister. Don't worry about that. We answer later. So you say you want me to clean the back room?
Yes.
The clothes them where you keep around there, where I go put them?
Just fold them up and make them stay.
Alright, so when I finish here, so I go deal with that then.
Alright. Alright, so I just come to tell her, come. Yeah, you can just get the cars and this one.
Next time I go out there without your shirt, sir.
Alright.
Boss, you know, say, the back room around so you see that all coming in. You want one curtain, because the curtain them if you then every other is part of the house, 2 big feet, and you mean that them only small. So when you come from work, this evening you could buy some. Buy pink or purple. Any color you know your daughter will like.
Oh, yeah, man, I can just do that when I work or I come back, so. If you think me not remember, just call me, yeah? Alright.
Yo, Tugger. You know, some come check Tugger.
Sir, nobody don't live here when name Tugger. Me is Miss Roxanne and I work for Mr. Brown and Mr. Brown gonna work. So I don't know you talk about Tugger. Come out of the man's house before I call police, sir. I don't know you and you're a stranger. Come out of the man's place.
You must never tell her that any name they are otherwise known as Roshan. I'm a little brother. Come check.
Me not care, you never tell me say I have no brother. Go along. Me no know nothing about that. Come out of the man.
The man said if you come check him today.
Come out of the man. Oh, sir, me don't know nothing about that. Go on out of the man's house. Why?
Cha. Alright. Just come up here and I look for you know, I go up like a book up power and look a country girl up there, I tell him say, oh, I look for Tucker and say, oh, come out at Mr. Brown yard. I say,
I play a country girl, no mind. She come from way up one place named Melbank, up one place up so. So she don't really know. She don't know me as that still, but More access to go pick up my daughter over Kerry, because I know some man Kerry not too deal. So I want to go pick up my daughter over Kerry. Can do that?
Yeah, man, I have nothing to do. I can't deal with you. Yo, but one thing, tell the girl we have up there, you know, that car, brother, the girl push me out of the yard and make me feel shame and sick, you know, brother.
Alright, man.
No, when I carry that up there, man, I know nothing again, you know, so I have to warn him.
Yeah, man, I'll chat to her, man, and make sure know your levels. So, yeah, she not even know, say, yeah, my brother stay, but sorry about that, man. You chat to her about it. So just go pick her up and carry her. Come, if me not do that, you'll stay for her, yeah?
Not so far.
Alright. Yeah, man.
You.
You see?
There was a young man who came here
Listen.
today asking for toga, you know, sir. I'm running out here, yard, you know, I'm running like a dog, and come about him ask.
I'm a brother. Anytime you see him come here, I'm a brother him be. And you don't have no right for you run him over here, because you don't know who name say. Ask him who name is because you don't know if me have a next name. You ask me or ask him. So he might come with me daughter tomorrow. So you know, brother give him a tough chat. You understand?
Mr. Brown, you have to tell me there's something, man, Mr. Brown. Me never know Mr. Brown, and when see boy come in the yard and just walk come in and yo, Tugger. Mr. Brown, me don't know where I talk about Mr. Brown. Me never hear nobody coming up into the yard and which part me come from. Me stay out that door and call. So me never know Mr. Brown. I really sorry, Mr. Brown. You have to tell me there's something there. See, so me can know. I'm sorry about that. So you said tomorrow you want to come with your daughter.
Yes.
Alright, Mr. Brown. So me know I'm very sorry. Very sorry. So me I call my sister and see if everything alright, call friend. We get to miss call from her. Really did not talk to me, me never really call her back. So I go there, call her back. Alright, Mr. Brown. Man, you did
I'm going there.
Alright.
Oh, sorry. Victor, do you know? It's a good trouble.
Hello? What want this? Yeah, man, everything alright. You know me there. It's better than our cell phone case and this, but yeah, man, alright. No, sir, girl, no, I'm not telling you nothing. Oh, I'm pregnant, 13 days now. I'm not telling you I'm pregnant. You not find out, no, man, nothing, not go, I even feel no sick, we are nothing. We just have to go and make some money and then, but if I'm nothing, by the time if you tell him probably, if you don't want to keep me, we can go and whatever, I don't know. Me figure it out. Yeah, man, today one young man come about, well, the boss is saying brother, but he come and he just walk in the house like one little stranger. I just run him like a dog out the house and boss is saying me run him brother. Alright, I can't stay too long because you know, something to go do and that I must see her come tomorrow. So just take care and make sure say everything alright. And we send her back all of the money them ready lend me and something. Alright, pick up yourself.
Now we got work now, so. And my daughter, I'll come at this year, so look out see my brother go carry her come, so look out for them, yeah?
Alright, sir. Me here will say, alright.
Alright, so me see you later, I'm coming, yeah?
Sir, 1 minute then. I want to apologize. I'm very sorry for running out the yard like a dog, but I never know say you're a bossy brother, sir. So, a boss's daughter this, right?
And I'm all pray that still a good man. Just do it that same if you do and they go back home business. That's it. Wait there one second.
Young girl, make sure you're not sleeping on the bed with the dirt clothes in the hair.
Even. When my daughter come?
Yeah, man, she's inside.
Alright.
I'm on the beach and video.
Jackson, come on.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm just introduce her to you and stuff like that. Samantha, she there here, so anything you want, you say tell her anything. If you want help with the homework, you tell her. If you want, if you're hungry, you tell she. You hear me say?
Alright, bossy, so everything we buy for her yesterday in terms of snacks, if she carry her to school, have she eat for her breakfast, right?
Yeah man, if you carry her school, everything of you.
Alright then. Alright, noted. So, what, she eat like same thing where you eat, she usually.
Yeah man, she eat all of them, so she eat fish now, but me not eat fish.
Oh, so we can cook 2 different pots then?
Yes.
Alright then, Tom. Nice to meet you, young girl. Miss Roxanne. Me love kids, you know. So just make sure they just do what you have to do, right?
So no big trouble man, she hungry.
We realize man should look quiet. Alright then, so I finish cooking dinner.
Alright.
I fish me if you cook for you now, I'm gonna have to cook for you.
You don't have to cook it, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, go on back in there. Why so much clothes there in a laundry? So much dirty clothes there in the side, that's why you're there here to make sure say not dirty clothes are in there and them stuff there. No?
Sir, don't water the day for she goes in there. Cause I've one about 3 days or 4 days don't water the day.
So no water in there and tell me so no water in there, simple as that. Let me get water in a place. So make you get some water to wash out the thing because thing can't stay in there so. Alright?
Sir, I'm not tell us no water the day. You know be in his bathroom.
You have to tell me what some of them know say for it and get some water, alright?
Alright.
I'll go up on the road and come back.
Alright. What time she have school?
8:30.
Alright.
So just get her ready and then.
Well, alright, just let me follow you go come and I'll get no further with you. But me alone can't walk gosh cool. That's not what doing me. You think me have to follow your father but me to care of your own high school and less far. You don't walk along. Maybe this is what I want to do. Good evening. I don't want to even for your girl. Your father in there, so you ever tell him to make you walk by yourself to school? Watch me. Don't tell him nothing. Come on.
So you want to truck man, me check him all again. Say I'll come in the morning and full up the drum there man. So see we get for wash tomorrow, right?
Alright then, that not sound too bad for me. I wash out them and something. Alright, so we look up him then.
So let's go here today, yeah?
Good evening. I don't want to even for your girl. Your father in there, so you ever tell him to make you walk by yourself to school? Watch me. Don't tell him nothing. Come on. Little girl, you come from school and it blows you have on. What you have to wear, come back to school, you have on. See you wear a ramp with this boy when you're not even supposed to stay with your ramp with. Your father let carry me off and stay with yours and clean up yours and cook for him, you know, and then he say about you and bring him that time, you know. And you come here and you come like say you want to raise up my blood pressure. I mean, you know that, you know, because I don't have my everything yet. Click up your body from here, whatever, and go on in, you take off that, because that's what you wear at school. Go on in, look in that boss. Go on, when you go on in yard. And take up your bag too. You have reached the end of the movie. I know say no, I wait. I say next part. Just give it a few time. We are working on it. We are trying our utmost best. We're gonna content as fast as possible. When I tell them we shoot one whole movie in one day, but some only for corruption did go up on the car and they miss out after it all over again. So guys, you can see and know say I will pass something we got you for make sure say we don't have something for watch. But we don't forget about we're there same way. We just are gonna work out things out and I pray that God help we out so we can give you content. So thank you for watching. Remember RJ vlog, link over down in the description box below. Also, may have a competition over KIERA'S fashion. I'm gonna put the something on the screen. When you go on over there, send in a picture, get your likes, it's soon up, and no more video or no more picture, sorry, will be taken after February 6th. So I'm gonna run go over there quick, send in a picture and get in the likes. Win a prize. Pick up on yourself. Let's just be honest.